Hello, I'm Chef Jason, and welcome to the Great Australian Bite, where we share all things culinary, including history, stories, and recipes. So please don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure. Imagine trying to cook a meal without oil. Vegetables stick to the pan, meats dry out, and many of the flavors we love never fully develop. Cooking oil is one of the most important ingredients in the kitchen around the world, yet is still often overlooked. From ancient civilizations pressing olives and sesame seeds thousands of years ago, to modern chefs choosing specialized oils for different cooking techniques, cooking oil has played a vital role in human culinary history. The story of cooking oil begins long before modern kitchens existed. Archaeological evidence suggests that people were extracting oils from plants as early as 6,000 years ago. In the Mediterranean region, olives became one of the earliest and most valuable sources of oil. Ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans used olive oil not only for cooking, but also medicine, religious ceremonies, cosmetics, and lighting lamps. Olive oil was so valuable in some cultures that it was considered a symbol of wealth and prosperity. Meanwhile, in Asia, sesame oil became an important cooking ingredient, adding flavor to dishes and serving as a source of nutrition. Different regions developed their own oil traditions based on the crops that they grew best in their climates. As civilizations expanded, so did the variety of oils available. In China and other parts of Asia, soybean and peanut oils became common. In tropical regions, coconut and palm oils were widely used. In Europe, sunflower and rapeseed oils gained popularity. Each oil had unique characteristics that influenced local cuisines. The flavor, aroma, and cooking properties of an oil could shape the identity of an entire region's food culture. For example, the rich, fruity flavor of olive oil became synonymous with Mediterranean cooking, while sesame oil became an iconic ingredient in many East Asian dishes. Cooking oil serves several important functions in the kitchen. The most obvious is preventing food from sticking to cookware. A thin layer of oil creates a barrier between food and the cooking surface, making cooking easier and cleanup simpler. But oil does much more than that. It helps transfer heat efficiency from pan to the food, promoting even cooking. Oil also contributes to texture, helping foods become crisp, golden brown, and delicious. When potatoes are fried, for example, oil creates the crunchy exterior that makes French fries so appealing. Without oil, many beloved foods would lack their signature texture. Another important role of cooking oil is flavor. Some oils have a neutral taste, allowing the natural flavors of ingredients to shine. Others contribute distinctive flavors of their own. Extra virgin olive oil can add fruity, peppery notes to a dish. Sesame oil provides a nutty aroma. Coconut oil offers a subtle tropical sweetness. Skilled cooks choose oils not only for their cooking performance, but also for the flavors they bring to the final dish. Not all cooking oils are created equal. One important factor is the smoke point, which is the temperature at which an oil begins to break down and produce visible smoke. Oils with higher smoke points are generally better suited for high temperature cooking methods, such as frying and searing. Avocado oil, peanut oil, and refined sunflower oil are examples of oils with high smoke points. Oils with low smoke points, such as some extra virgin olive oils, are often preferred for dressings, low to medium heat cooking, or finishing dishes. Understanding the smoke points helps cooks select the right oil for the right task. Nutrition is another reason cooking oils receive so much attention. Oils contain fats, which are essential nutrients that provide energy and support many bodily functions. Different oils contain different types of fats. Olive oil and avocado oil are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are generally considered heart healthy. And many vegetable oils contain polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Coconut oil contains a higher proportion of saturated fat, which has been the subject of ongoing nutritional debate. While experts may disagree on the certain details, most agree that moderation and variety are important when choosing dietary fats. The Industrial Revolution transformed the production of cooking oils. Traditional methods often involve crushing seeds or fruits with stone meal or pressing out the oil by hand. Modern technology introduced mechanical presses, solvents, refining processes, and large-scale production. These advances made cooking oils more affordable and accessible to people around the world. Oils that were once regional specialties became global commodities. Today, consumers can choose from dozens of oils at their local grocery store, each with its own strengths and culinary applications. Deep frying is one of the most dramatic uses of cooking oil. In this method, food is completely submerged in hot oil, typically between 325 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The intense heat rapidly cooks the exterior of the food, creating a crispy crust while helping the inside remain moist and tender. From fried chicken and donuts to tempura and French fries, many iconic dishes depend on the unique cooking properties of hot oil. The science behind frying is fascinating. Water inside the food turns to steam, helping prevent excessive oil absorption while contributing to the crispy texture. Professional chefs pay close attention to oil quality and handling. Repeatedly heating oil can cause it to degrade over time, affecting flavor and potentially producing undesirable compounds. In professional kitchens, oils are carefully filtered, monitored, and replaced when necessary. Proper storage is also important. Exposure to heat, light, and oxygen can cause oils to become rancid, leading to unpleasant flavors and aromas. Keeping oils in cool, dark places helps preserve their quality. Cooking oils also play an important role in cultural traditions around the world. Mediterranean cuisines celebrate olive oil as a central ingredient. Asian cuisines often feature sesame, peanut, and soybean oils. South Asian cooking relies heavily on mustard oil, ghee, and various vegetable oils. Latin American cuisines frequently use corn and avocado oils. These traditions reflect centuries of agricultural development, trade, and culinary innovation. The oils people use often tell a story about geography, history, and culture. In recent years, consumer interest in cooking oils has expanded beyond the kitchen. Discussions about sustainability, environmental impact, and agricultural practices have become increasingly important. Consumers may choose oils based not only on taste and nutrition, but also on how they are produced. Factors such as water use, land management, and responsible farming practices can influence purchasing decisions. As awareness grows, the cooking oil industry continues to evolve to meet changing consumer expectations. Today, home cooks have more choice than ever before. Extra virgin olive oil remains a favorite for flavor and health benefits. Avocado oil is prized for its versatility and high smoke point. Canola oil offers a neutral flavor suitable for many applications. Sesame oils add a distinctive character to Asian dishes. Coconut oil remains popular in certain cuisines and baking applications. The best oil ultimately depends on the cooking method, desired flavor, and personal preference. From ancient olive groves to modern industrial presses, cooking oil has accompanied humanity throughout its culinary journey. It has shaped cuisines, fueled trade, influenced cultures, and transformed simple ingredients into memorable meals. Whether drizzled over a fresh salad, used to saute vegetables, or heated for deep frying, cooking oil remains one of the most essential and fascinating ingredients in the world of food. The next time you pour oil into a pan, remember that you are using a product with a history stretching back thousands of years. A humble ingredient that has helped define the way humans cook, eat, and enjoy food. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out our other content as well. This is Chef Jason, and don't forget, love is the secret ingredient.